Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am so happy that you're joining me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rebecca and I share with you planning content on a weekly basis. If you've been here before, welcome back. I am so happy that you're here. Well, it's definitely been a minute since I have filmed a plan with me. And the reason is because my planning style has changed a little bit, and there's a lot of times that I just plan out my week as I need to. So a lot of the times my weeks are already filled in and I don't really use a lot of stickers. I use more stickers in my daily and in my weeklies it's really just writing and a few functional stickers. So as you can see here, this is kind of like what my weeks look like. And this week, actually, I felt inspired to do a plan with me. So that is why we are here. And I am going to be using for this week's spread, I'm going to be using a horizontal layout by Plans to Create. And I know that you guys have been asking me to do a plan with me, and I have had a few of you request a horizontal. So that is why I chose this layout. So I am using an A6 ring planner. So this insert is A6, but Plans to Create on Etsy has different sizes. So if you like this insert, you can definitely check her out over on Etsy. Okay, so since it's been a minute, I'm a little bit rusty when it comes to decorating, but I am gonna try my best, and I am still gonna keep it within, the neutral tones. So I'm gonna be using Sweet Caress dots. I'm gonna be using some of these stickers. So I think I'm gonna go with, let me take it out of the, I think I'm gonna go with this sticker, I think, and maybe this butterfly. So these stickers are it's called the Paper Studio. So it is a pack that comes like this, and no, it's this one here that comes like this, and I just cut it so it could fit in my little caddy. And then I have this other one, and I took it out because I might use this other pink one. So I'm gonna leave those there to the side. I am also gonna be using my journaling pad. So this is a pad that I also picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I just love the vintage look. If you've been around, you know that is kind of my vibe. I really enjoy using like vintagey colors and flowers, and I'm gonna have this here to the side. I'm also gonna use some of these word strips. And they are from Jen Holt's Ideology, and these are really cool. I like these. He has different, he has small talk, menu props, and Charla Casual. Oh no, these are this is just small talk in different languages. Oh, look at that. I'm like, yeah, I recognize this. That's Spanish. So these are just labels with cute little quotes from Hobby Lobby. And last but not least, my favorite vintage sticker book by the Happy Planner, Botanicals. So I'm gonna have this to the side. Okay, so let's get started. I am doing a plan with me for the week of, what week are we in? Let me check. Monday, January 11th. Okay, let's start and see what we come up with. Okay, so I know right off the bat that I have a few important appointments going on this week. Oh, but wait, since this is an undated insert, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna date it. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna grab my whiteout because I am gonna put the day right next to the date right next to the day of the week. So I don't want that black line to come across. So let me just white it out a smidge, just a little bit. Okay, let's see, maybe a little bit more. And I'm gonna grab these stickers from Sweet Caress. These are called Wonder. They're beautiful. Oh, I think I need to erase it a little bit more. Okay. So while I was whiting it out, I remembered that I had this jelly roll, and this is white, and I think it's gonna, like, the whiteout is kind of like a more, I don't know, like yellowish, and I think that this jelly roll is going to work because I just need to erase that little line. Okay, we're gonna let it dry and keep going. So I'm gonna leave space there to date the week, and now let's start decorating. Okay, so my idea for this spread is kind of like a vintagey journal vibe. So that is what I'm gonna go for. And of course I need to leave room to write down my to-dos. I'm gonna leave, so the way that I'm gonna divide this layout, so this layout is horizontal, and it has a section for to-dos. It has here 3 lines, and it has a blank space here. And there's 2 different styles of this layout on Julie's Etsy shop. One of them says dinner, but I decided to print out the one that doesn't have the label because I'm gonna leave this, I think I'm gonna leave it for self-care, or I might just actually just write meals and just write down breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I don't know, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna use it for, but I didn't want it to be labeled. So, okay, let me start decorating. And I'm gonna start off by decorating this corner, because if you have been following me for any amount of time, you know that one of my biggest advices to you when you start decorating a spread and you don't really know what to do, first, to keep it simple. Don't overwhelm yourself with adding too much stickers, too many stickers, and start decorating the corners, and then it will all come together. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so this is the end. This is gonna be my spread for this upcoming week. And what I did is I decided to just focus on the corners, and I messed up here. So the good thing about using, scrapbook paper is that if you mess up, you can just, put something different there. So I did mess up here, and then I just covered the little mess up with more scrap paper, and I put a hello today sticker. And this is it. This is gonna be my spread for this upcoming week, and I'm gonna write in my plans and I will share it with you over on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I am cutting here the little slits. So this is a trick that I learned in the minimal planning community, and it definitely has helped me because I don't like opening my rings. So I do love the fact that I can just cut slits and and then I can just put them in like if they were a disc bound planner. So see, I just pop them in and that's it. I am done. Okay, you guys, well, this is it. This is my first plan with me that I've done in many, many months. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you liked it, and I will add more of these to my video rotation. And yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thanks again, everyone. Have a beautiful day. Take care, stay safe and healthy. Bye.